unless you're watching it tomorrow. It's the Lil Sam and Cat Show. Now cheer it up for Lil Sam and Lil Cat.
I'm a Lil Sam. And I'm a Lil Cat.
And I'm wearing a bunch of hats.
Yeah, a lot of hats. No one cares.
My mom cares.
We've got a great show this week. So let's start it off with an on-set challenge. An on-set challenge is when we get Ariana, Jeanette, or any other actor to face off against each other doing something weird. That was so explaining. It's what I do. This week's challenge is all about lollipops. Lollipops. Are you imagining me as a giant talking lollipop again? Yep. You're gonna lick my face, aren't you? Yes. Your tongue is bumpy.
On-set challenge, the Suckerthon. First one to suck their lollipop down to the stick wins. 3, 2, 1, suck.
We still have scenes to shoot, but we're doing this for you. We're almost good.
Get at me, get at me, get at me, what?
I'm almost done.
Congratulations, you won.
One for you, and all for me because I won, and I won.
Haha, pigs in hats. It's just so easy. What happened? This. I love screaming. In fact, I set up a scream meter on the set of Sam and Cat to see which guest star can belt it out the best. Oh, look! The fancy pigs are back! Playing the clip.
Yes!
Well, that's just not fair.
Skull Crush!
I quit.
Hi, little Sam and Cat. Hi.
Last week, we asked Sam and Cat fans to name this robot. And now, little cat, let us inform them which robo name we chose. Great robot impression, Lil Sam. The robot's new name is... The suspense is killing me. Powering down. Lil Sam? Fish sticks, it broke. Janky robot. You really freaked me out! Why is there a Robo-U? I was trying to get out of work early, so I thought Robo Sam could finish the show for me. Guess not. Let's find out who named the robot.
The fan who named the robot is Jake from Noonan, Georgia.
Yeah, but what's its name?
Oh, let me see. It is somewhere on my phone.
Give me that.
Sorry.
It's Zerp!
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 Zerp! Zerp! Zerp! Zerp! Zerp! Zerp!
Now see it in the show.
Oh, there's another robot coming!
No, that's just Zerp.
All right, we're gonna go because we've got nothing else to say. I think Zoran wants to say something.
Yeah, I got a question. There's a little Sam, a little Cat, a little Dice. So where's the little Gomer?
Great question, Zoran. Well, we are gonna... Uh-oh! Whee!
Gonna what?